What's up, juicy boys, juicy girls? We're back once again for another unboxing video. And today, still Jordan. So just to give some background, medyo late. This is a late review or an unboxing actually. This was released way back months ago. It's a Jordan 3 Fire Red. Nice. So actually, hindi siya masyado naging hype lang siya nung una, pero kasi this was like the ones that Eminem used, diba, dun sa Super Bowl performance niya. So at some shops, this is still available online or any sa mga shoe shops. Meron pa silang stocks nito. Yun ang pagkakaalam ko. So it means na hindi siya masyadong bumenta. But for me personally, I really like this colorway. It's a OG colorway, by the way. As I mentioned before, mahilig tayo dun sa mga OG. As you can see here at the back, Nike Air pa. So pretty clean. Sobrang clean nung sapatos na to, and sobrang daling bagayan, right? And we have this insert together with the shoe. So yan siya. So nandito yung specs actually ng shoes, yung parts ng shoes. It's all here. Medyo matagal na bago naglagay si Jordan or si Nike ng mga ganitong klaseng what you call this, gimmicks dito sa shoes nila. And this is really inspired from the OG edition nung nilabas tong Jordan 3 Fire Reds. Very nice observations. It's the normal Jordan 3s. The leather, what I can say about the leather, it's really good. Ganda. Actually, I really dig this pair, this colorway. I can imagine now na magandang ibagay sa kanya ng mga shirts or even pormahan. Ang ganda. Very simple, very clean. So we have this hang tag, inspired from the OG pa rin. Ganda. Simple lang. So, we have the Jordan 3 Black Cements. Meron tayo nun at medyo luma na siya. Nag-yellow na nga yung dito niya. Ito, pakita ko sa inyo. Ito yung pair ko. Kaya sakto, meron tayo ulit na Jordan 3. And this time, it's white. You will love this. Promise. Lalo pag laging malinis. Yeah. Nice, oh. Paired with shorts or even black pants. Nilitaw talaga agad yung ganda ng sapatos. Especially the back part. I really like this. White, red, Nike Air. Diba? Lupit to. Angas. Yeah, that's it. Jordan 3 Fire Reds. Di pa ako nagkaroon nito ever since yung sa OG when I was still young, and now I got it and love it. I really love it. So go grab a pair of these Fire Reds. Hindi kayo magsisisi. Ganda talaga. Alright, so that's it for our unboxing Jordan Fire Reds 2022 edition. So So pagdating sa box, nothing special, but still came with the box OG rin ng design paper. So if you like this content, some unboxing videos, especially sa shoes, pero hindi naman lahat ng mga releases is ina-unbox natin, but just some of my favorites. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and see you again next time. Salamat, juicy boys, juicy girls. Peace!